Having won the title of Auctioneer of the Year has been such a great privilege and definitely an honor. Being the auctioneering champ, winning the competition in May of 2025 this year definitely places a responsibility on a person to grow and to become even better. It's definitely not a point that one reaches to become complacent. Rather, it's something that you receive that motivates you to grow and to become better. And I think that is your responsibility, carrying the title as the auctioneering champ, to do that and to do that in an honest manner. I really believe that auctioneering is the best marketing platform to dispose of assets, and for any assets for that matter. If you want a market related price in the shortest time period for a certain product, auctioneering is the way to go. You will not reach success or any form of success on your own. With that being said, I'd like to thank each and every person that's ever attended one of our auctions. I'd like to thank all of my previous employers, all of my previous mentors that taught me how to conduct an auction, how to build a chant, and even a shout out to the guys in the USA that's putting out videos on YouTube that actually taught me most of my chant. I got from videos on YouTube, which was put up in the US of A. So I'd like to thank them as well, because without that I surely would still have been lost. The success of a company definitely relies on its employees, and here at Elite Auctions, me and my business partner Frank, both of us are so grateful for all the hard work that our employees has put into this business, and without them it would definitely not be able. Without the sponsorship and support of Elite Auctions, it wouldn't have been able for me to attend the AGM, to be a SIA member, and also to compete in the competition. And definitely I wouldn't have been able to win that competition. So a shout out to Elite Auctions, to all of its staff, to my business partner Frank, and most of all to my wife as well. So that an auctioneer should be familiar with their numbers, they should be familiar with their filler words, and with that I mean that an auctioneer should practice. But being able to connect with people and to connect with your buyers, you need to be able to speak to the public, and you need to be able to connect with people. If you cannot do that, it doesn't help that you just have a chant and you can just talk fast. So reading and interacting with your audience is extremely important for an auctioneer. I've heard another auctioneer say that an auction is controlled chaos, and another auctioneer has also said to me that an auction is all about crowd control. And in a sense that is very true. You need to engage the whole audience during a sale, and you need to be able to keep their attention. With time, an auctioneer learns to read the crowd, and they learn certain tells of a bidder. You can tell before you ask a bidder for a bid price whether that bidder is going to bid or not bid, and you with experience you learn whether to keep on asking for a bid from a certain bidder or to move away from that bidder, and you can tell that you can pick it up from the body language.